all set up, and we are at James Island County Park, I believe is the name of it. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. Think we got enough space there? I just put one down on the other side just a little bit, but we got plenty of room here. It's a pretty good sized park, so there should be no problem for some people getting in here, although it's busier than I thought it was going to be. The laundry and bathrooms are right over there. That's going to be great. Linda needs to do some laundry. And then we got trash cans right there in our recycle. And we're next door to a big old Hummer. Looks like a 45-foot Tuscany. So this is going to work out all right. We're in right in Charleston. So we're going to see if there's, I know there's some sights to see. We're just hoping they are open. Cross your fingers. I wanted to show you the bathrooms here. Boy, these are really nice. They only have a couple of stalls, but very nice decor in here. Woo! Then they've got 1, 2, 3, 4 shower stalls. I mean, these are pretty good looking, guys. Baby changing station. And oh yeah, on this one they do have 2 accelerator hand dryers and soap. Very, very nice. This is very nice. You know, I don't think there's a bad spot around here at all. This just goes around in a couple of circles. So the campground is basically the back end of this county park. The main theme here is the county park, and it is nice. I'll see if we can get some clips of it for you here. But this just goes around in a couple of circles, back over that way, back down this way with parking all along the side, and one more loop over on the other side. So the sites are spacious. Those 2 are right next to each other. I'm not sure. I haven't figured that out yet, but maybe buddies. I don't know. But the campground is, they're all like this. Biking around here is incredible. You can go for miles and miles on paved surface. It is really, really good. This is a great one for biking for families. Hey, how about a nighttime wrap up for St. James Island County Park? Now, the park is just that. The campground is just sand, and really like any other state park, and actually less, well, not quite as good as many state parks we've been to. So this is kind of a higher end, maybe to keep people out that can't afford it. I'm not real sure. It's not that great, but the things to do in the park are really nice, especially for kids. So, and I think I reiterated that. Click the show more button down below the video, and I've got a lot more information in there for you. It's really great if you got kids. Now, if you're just putzing through and just trying to make it for state park, not a cheap one. This is not one you want to go to. Leave it for the people that got the bucks, and for those with kids. So you'll find better state parks or better campgrounds, let's put it that way. But my goodness gracious, gosh, there is so much to see in Charleston. This has been really good. I wish I had looked a little closer to a less expensive campground, because this was kind of waste on dollars for us. 56 bucks plus a night is very expensive for no more than you get for it if you're, you know, a couple traveling or seniors that don't have kids along, grandkids, but great for families. Sorry about that. So I didn't do much on the campground because it's rather blah. The county park is cool, but what I wanted to show is the highlight, and that's Fort Sumter. And I got goosebumps on that one. Just thinking I was on the grounds that I was on during that Civil War period. Not Civil War, Revolutionary War, sorry. Boy, there is so much to see around here. Holy mackerel, and we didn't even get to eat our brains out like I wish I had. So we should have probably done about 5 to 6 days here and seen a lot of it. So hope you enjoy the Fort Sumter clip. It's not very long at the end, but it was great. So you guys get out there, do it safely, all right? Thinking about you. Bye now. One of the things we're going to do while we're here is go to the Fort Sumter National Monument. Going to take a ferry over there. That's the only way to get there, so there's a couple of ferry services, and I think it was $22 a person to go. So we shall give that a try. See what it's like. Should be nice. It's a gorgeous day.